Most of us have heard about the possibility of full body orgasms for women. Maybe not so much the possibility of full body orgasms for men, but full body orgasms are available for everybody. They don't just happen though, usually. Usually there's a sense of developing ourselves as lovers before this is possible. So we want to get into our bodies, get our consciousness into our bodies, practice conscious touch, have some kind of body discipline where we cultivate a more and more sense of ourselves as an embodied being. We pay attention, we're mindful, we have cultivated our minds to be able to be silent at least some of the time. And we're a work in progress. We're continuing to allow more pleasure in our bodies by not having to get rid of it with an orgasm. You see, part of what happens in conventional sex is we are uncomfortable with having sexual charge in our body, so we feel like we have to get rid of it. And in Tantra, we work with our bodies so we don't feel uncomfortable with sexual charge. We can walk around with a turn on all day in any kind of environment and not feel like we have to do anything about it. People are afraid of their sexual charge because they think they're going to have to pursue someone they don't particularly want to, or that's not good for them, or they're attracted to the wrong thing or whatever. And in Tantra, we just enjoy it. I'm attracted to that person. I'm not going to do anything about it. They don't have to know. I just feel a turn on around them. I just enjoy the feeling of turn on in my own body. So once you create and expand this ability to handle sexual pleasure instead of having to get rid of it, you are increasing your orgasmic capacity for full body orgasms, no matter what sex you are. You more and more allow sexual energy to expand beyond the genitals, but into the whole body. And as you practice this, and as you expand into making love more and more without having to just get rid of the energy, get rid of it through clitoral or ejaculation, clitoral orgasm or ejaculation, you can build this capacity to have full body orgasm where the whole body will shake, not just the genitals are having their little spasm. So it's a beautiful thing to develop in yourself, this capacity. And there's a lot of exercises to help you do that. And just being present in the moment will help you do that.